Where's my head? You seen my head? Hey, there it is. We can start. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, tap C5. Tap complicado 5. Let's do it together. First, watch for yourself. Yeah, that's the move. Now, no excuses. Remember, we do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Amazing. Let's do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We tap to the front, tap to the side, cross. We step. We touch. We step. We touch. Now again with the right. Tap. Tap to the side. Cross. Now we step. Touch, step, touch. Again with the left. Tap, tap, cross, step, tap, step, tap. Tap, tap, cross, step, tap, step, tap. One more time with a count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, that was tap C5. Tap complicado 5. And I remind you, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba. And by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can do it with the right or with the left. But wait, you still here? Amazing! Let's do another practice. Now, I want to see it. So, let's do it face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. By practicing, of course. Let's go. We'll start again with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. We tap, we step, step, touch, step, touch. We tap, we step, step, touch, step, touch. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. A tip with the hands. Here. Tap, tap, cross. It's close here. And when you do this, you can open the hands. Open and raise them up. Pa, 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 pa. Let's do it together. Let's go. Pa, 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 hands. 1, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Hands go up. Bam, 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 bam. And hands go up. Amazing! I cannot believe that you stayed with me till now. What a nice warming feeling, especially in this pretty cold day in Iceland. I don't feel my fingers. But since you stayed with me till now, I have a bonus for you. You can practice with me this move, tap C5, together with me for free in the studio whenever you want. Yes. How do you do that? You can check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. And if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, tap C5 or tap complicado 5. Yeah! And meet you in the studio. This is for the serious students. But what do you get? You can use this video as well, right? Just hit the replay button, practice with me on the grass, and practice with me face to face as we did just a minute ago. Cause no excuses, remember? And then, after you know the move, I want you to, I urge you, I push you to go to today's party. Yes, today's party. Go to the party and say to yourself, I show them the move. Yeah. You go to the party and you do the move. And if you forget the move, you can run to the bushes. Yeah, right there so nobody sees. Nobody sees you here. Amazing. And then you can practice with me on the grass. Then go back, feeling all confident. Yeah. And do the move. Amazing. Yes, show off a little bit. Make it fun. You deserve it. You practice it. And of course, do this today. Today. Please do it today. Please. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, see you tomorrow.